Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons. And the first question: natural selection change allelic frequencies because some blank space survive and reproduce better than others. Answer A: alleles, and C: loci. We can ignore because alleles and loci cannot survive and reproduce by themselves. So we have to choose between answer B: species and individuals. When we talk about change in allelic frequencies, we're talking about change in allelic frequencies within species, not between species, on individual level. So the correct answer is going to be answer D. One more time. Natural selection change allele frequencies because some individuals survive and reproduce better than the others. And this would lead to change in allelic frequencies in population or the whole species. And the next question: which one of the following conditions would allow gene frequencies to change by chance? And here's the variants to choose from, and I hope you would eliminate answer D right away, because large population is one of the postulates in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. So in order for allelic frequencies to be stable, one of the requirements is large population. Now let's choose between gene flow, natural selection, and small populations. So what is a gene flow? This picture would remind what is a gene flow. This is basically migration of some individuals from one group to another one, and such migration change allelic frequencies. So same species, different groups with different allelic frequencies. So basically change of allelic frequencies in one group or in one population due to migration. It only seems like random process, but on the population level such migration is more or less predictable, and as you see, it is directional. Next variant, natural selection, also seems like this is totally random process, but now consider this group of individuals or this population. On this population, natural selection also would work directionally, because some individuals here would have less fitness than the rest. For example, some birds can preferentially feed on some bugs of the certain color. So this is going to be directional selection. So we have to understand that natural selection is not that random process that goes in all different directions. Usually natural selection also would lead to directional selection. And if we know all the conditions, we can predict change in allelic frequencies in such population, because some individuals would be better fit than the rest. But small population is what causing random change in allelic frequencies. And here's example. Imagine that you have a group of people, let's say 20 people, and they have different blood types, A, B, AB, and O. And let's say that just in 5-10 generations, just due to random factor, random mating, some of the groups can be lost. For example, blood group O, and you will find only blood group A, AB, and B. And not because these blood groups have better fitness than blood group O, but only due to random mating and small population size, which eliminate by chance this blood group. So our choices, you see, is going to be answer C. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video.